Hey, speed enthusiasts, are you ready to take your Segway Ninebot E2 to the next level? In this video, we'll show you 2 killer hacks to boost your ride speed. By the end, you'll be zipping around at speeds you never thought possible. So stick around to see how you can reach up to 27 kilometers per hour. Welcome to Electric Scooter World. Our first hack involves using the ScooterHacking Utility app. This handy tool is a game changer for scooter fans. Once you've downloaded it, simply connect your Segway Ninebot E2 to the app via Bluetooth. You'll need to adjust some settings like changing the speed limiter and tweaking the firmware settings. It's straightforward, but you need to know what you're doing. With this hack, you can crank up the speed to a thrilling 27 kilometers per hour. But remember folks, safety first. Before you hit the road, make sure your scooter is in good shape and always wear your helmet. Now if you want a detailed step-by-step guide on how to use the ScooterHacking Utility, check out the 20-minute tutorial by WMA on YouTube. I've linked the video in the description below, so make sure to watch it to get all the details. On to our second hack. This one's for those of you who are into some hands-on tinkering. You can actually add an external battery to your Segway Ninebot E2. This isn't just about more speed, it's about extending your range too. Adding an external battery might sound tricky, but it's actually quite doable if you're comfortable with a bit of DIY. You'll need to get a compatible battery, some basic tools, and a little bit of technical know-how. You'll install the battery in a way that safely integrates it with the scooter's existing system. With this mod, you're not only boosting your speed but also making your ride last longer. Imagine cruising around town without worrying about running out of juice, and trust me, once you've experienced this power boost, you won't want to go back. So there you have it, 2 fantastic ways to amp up your Segway Ninebot E2. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome scooter tips. Ride safe.